Today I am going to start a lesson about punctuation. So I kept one question mark and one full stop like this and some sentences without punctuation, and I am planning to give this punctuations to match it with the right sentences after introducing the concept of punctuation. Although today we are going to learn about punctuation. So this is question mark and this is full stop. Okay. Question mark we will use with questions. Starts with what, why, when, how, is, was. Like that, if sentences are beginning, then we will use question mark. And full stop we will use with this is a boy, that is a girl. So that type of statement. Okay. Now give me full stop. Full stop. Give me full stop. Yes, this is full stop. Give me question mark. This is question mark. Now I'll show you some sentences. Okay. Okay. So read the sentence. This is a car. Yes, then it is full stop. Right. Very good. Next sentence. What is this? So you will use question mark. Very good. Next. Who is that? Yes, then we will use question mark. Who is that? You are asking a question. Next. That was a jungle. Yes, that's a statement. So Adu is using full stop. That was a jungle. Yes. Next you read by yourself. That's right. Which color is this? Adu is asking a question. That is why Adu put question mark. Next question. Read. Yes. Why he is sleeping? Adu is asking a question. Why he is sleeping? So Adu put it with question mark. Next. These are cups. It's a statement. So Adu used it with full stop. That's right. Next sentence. Is this a pen? Adu is asking a question. Is this a pen? Yes, this way we can use question mark and full stop. Did you understood the concept of punctuation? Yes, Adu understood. I'm glad that you understood. Good learning. Adu, we are going to learn if the sentence is starting with she. Which punctuation you will use? Yes, that's right. Full stop. If the sentence starts with he, which punctuation? He. Yes, very good. If the sentence starts with why, yes, then it is a question. That's right. If it starts with these are pens, these are apples. Yes, then Adu can use full stop. Next. If the sentence starts with who is this? Yes, it's a question. That's right. Now, if the sentence starts with those, here, those are apples, those are cups. So Adu can use full stop. Next, if the sentence starts with this is a pen, this is a cup. So which punctuation you will use? Full stop. Very good. If it starts with is that a cup? Yes, then it is a question. Okay, that is a boy, that is a girl. So which one you will use? Yes, full stop. Did, if it starts with did, it is a question. That's right. If it starts with it is a table. It is a chair. Then what you will use? Listen. It is a table. It is a chair. So it is a statement. Yes, you can use full stop. The boy is crying. So it starts with the. The boy is crying. Yes, full stop. And what is this? Yes, it is a question. So these words, if the sentence starts with all these words, we will use question mark. And if the sentence starts with all these words, we will use full stop. Okay, Addu? Understood? Is Addu was able to understand the concept what Amma was teaching? Yes. Good learning. Very good. This worksheet I prepared for practicing the same punctuations, full stop and question mark. So, Addu can drag and drop the right answer. See, Addu, 3 times you have to practice. Okay, start. Where you have to keep. This is like, yes, very good. That's right. Next question. Next is a, next read the statement. What is this? So it is a question, the right. Next question. Which color is this? Yes. Next statement. These are flowers. Very good. You got it. Good. Next. That is a fan. That's right. Next. Who is that? So that's a question. Good job. First time over. Now we are going to do the second time. Okay. Read the question and you do by yourself. Yes. Next. That is a question. Very good. Next. Very good. Next is a statement. Very good. Next is a statement. Very good. Keep it in the right place. Very good. See, let me see the worksheet that you did. Good doing, Addu.